All right, circles. There are different parts of the circle. So let's draw a circle to the best of your ability. All right, now I'm going to have a dot in the middle and then a line that goes to the edge of the circle. Does anybody know what do you call this part of the circle? Okay, so this part of your circle has a specific name, and it is called radius. Okay, so when you see this part of the circle, this is called the radius. When it goes from the center of the circle out, it's called the radius. Now, you draw another circle next to it, and this time a dot in the middle with a line going through it, through the middle dot, and all the way from one side to the other side. All those circles really don't have sides. Okay, this part of the circle is called a diameter. Okay, so half a circle is called a radius. The full circle is called the diameter. Okay? Has anybody ever heard of these two words? No? Okay, yes? 6th grade? Alex? Cool. Okay, so if I have a radius and it equals 5 inches, what do you think the diameter is equal to? 10 inches, very good. So then therefore the diameter is 10 inches. Do you guys see that relationship? So it's double, right? But what if I give you a diameter, stay with me, copy all of this down, of 16 inches? What is the radius? 8. Good. So it would be half, right? I would take 16 and divide it by 2, I get 8. If I want to know the diameter, I would double it. Yes?
What if it's an odd number?
You would have a decimal. Good question. Okay. Any questions on this? No? Cool. Let's move on. So this is like the basics. Naming the triangle, the radius, the diameter, the relationship. It's double or it's half. Now we're going to talk about what is called the... Oh, does anybody know what this is called?
Pi.
Yeah.
Pi.
This is called pi. Pi. Like apple pie, but without the E. Okay? It's a Greek symbol for pi. Does anybody know the approximate value? It's the approximate value. Notice it's not equal signs. It's like these wavy, Alex writing this down, these wavy lines. That means it's an approximation. It's approximately 3.14. Okay? It's an approximation. We use it. Pi never ends. It keeps going. It never repeats. It's called an irrational number. It's like 3.14159 something. Some people memorize like a lot of numbers in pi. I'll try to find a YouTube video on that where someone just memorized it. Jason, they have a lot of time on their hands. All right. Okay, here it is. The meat of the lesson. Circumference. You're going to have this for homework tonight. Circumference. I am going to teach you how to find the circumference of a circle. Wow, that sounds complicated. Circumference of a circle. Does anybody know what part of a circle is called a circumference? Okay, circumference is when you go around the outside of the circle. Okay? What do we call that in other figures when I go around a figure? Perimeter. So circumference is like the perimeter of another shape. So if I have a triangle and it's 5, 10, 15 inches, what is the perimeter equal to?
12.
30. Right? All the way around? Right? What's 10 plus 5?
15.
Plus 15?
30.
30. So the perimeter is 30, right? So circumference is the same thing, going around. But it's different because it's a circle, right? If I have something circular, like my water bottle, and I want to know what's the circumference of this water bottle, can I possibly measure it? No, right? Because rulers are flat and they don't bend, right? I could get a flexible one, but I can use the math. Do you see the bottom of the water bottle? What shape is it? Circle, right? And if I go straight across, what am I solving for? Diameter, very good. And if I go half a finger,
Radius.
that's a radius, right? I want to know what is the distance around my water bottle this way. Okay? So if I were to travel, how far did I go? That's circumference. Okay? Great example with my water bottle here. Around the circle. Okay? That's called circumference. Alright, here is the formula. Ready? Circumference is equal to pi times your diameter. That's the formula. Seems simple enough. So if I have a circle, and I tell you that the diameter is 12 inches, I want to know if I were to walk around this circle all the way around, how far did I go? I have to use this formula. Circumference is equal to pi times d. Alright, what's the value of pi? 3.14 times. What's my diameter? 12. So notice how I'm going to write this down. This is called showing work. Writing this down. Now, can I do this in my head? Absolutely not. I cannot. So I'm going to go on the side and I'm going to multiply. Ooh, another week where we multiply. Alright, get a head start. What do we get?
37.68.
Yep. 8260 placeholder. 4138673. How many times did I move my decimal? 2 times. So that means, write this down. Circumference is equal to 37.68 inches. That means to walk around this water bottle, for example, it would be 37.68 all the way around. All the way around. Okay? So, again, what are we doing? We're multiplying, just like last week, right? Alright, let's try a different example. We're going to say the diameter is 5 centimeters. So I want to know, what is the circumference? What's the formula for circumference? Pi times diameter. That's your formula. Pi times diameter. And I write it like 100 times. Why? So that it just sticks with me. When I need it, it's there. Pi times d. Alright, what is pi approximately?
3.4.
Good. Times. What's my diameter?
5.
Cool. So I don't know. What is circumference equal to? So what are you going to have to do? You're going to have to multiply. Show your work. Get a head start. How many times did I move my decimal? 2. What's your answer? 15.70 centimeters. Good. Good job. The hardest part is multiplying, but that should be easy because it's a 4th, 5th grade standard. All right. I'm going to make it harder. Set it up before I do.
So sad how you guys don't want to go to nutrition. I don't leave, so I don't care. If I take away your nutrition or not. Oh, welcome to second period. They lose your nutrition a lot because of the absence of 1 or 2. Welcome, Eric.
That's why I'm... Okay. What did we get?
12.48 inches.
Good. No, 48? Yeah. 3.14 times. What's my diameter? 4. Not 2. Radius is 2. Diameter is 4. So that's how they trick you. They give you the wrong number. Don't fall for it. Fix it. And that's how we get circumference is equal to 12.56 inches.